You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Just thinking I walk, don't be so judgmental. Cause I just thinking I walk, don't be so judgmental. Just leave.
Nothing says summer like food, food, food. There's food. There's food. There's food. There's food. There's food. Okay, in this week's Summer Eats, Khalela Foster, owner of Sherikas Kitchen, takes us into the kitchen showing us how to properly plate some scrumptious meal. I don't really want to plate it, I just want to eat mine.
Me say we're not going to we're going to plate it, but we're not going to play with it. That's what I'm saying. All right, show us what we need to do. We'll talk about plating.
Okay.
First and foremost, I must say thank you so very much
for lunch and dinner.
Spread. Come, I see lunch today, dinner later, breakfast morning. All right, so.
All right, plating and the importance of plating. We just don't dash it on the plate like this. Presentation is key.
Right.
Okay, so as you said, into lunch, into dinner, that's everything that Sherikas Kitchen bring. Can be lunch, dinner, late night snack, everything.
Yes.
All right.
So the most important thing is, people eat with them eye first. Because we know that ketchup, I say, open the shit pan them.
Open the shit pan them.
Okay, so we're talking about plating food. Does it matter if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the size of the plate?
No, not necessarily.
Oh, so you can put breakfast in whatever size plate?
Yeah.
All right, good. What do you normally put in a plate first? Show us what happens first.
So, as I said...
So you have quesadillas here.
Yes. So these are the beef quesadillas.
Right.
Ooh.
Oh, so you normally put those on... You show Dejan how to do it, man. Make Dejan do it.
So you put them on like a pasta.
Teach her, because she can't cook, but she can...
I know you style. You're full, man. I know how to do this. I'm eating enough quesadilla if you know, so you line them up one
Dejan,
by
eating
one.
the quesadilla, Dejan is two in there, one to cut one at a time.
You put it so.
Right, you do like that?
Yes.
Good, boasty.
And you drop
Right.
it so.
Yeah.
You mean?
Just like that.
All right, okay. So quesadillas, that's where you plate quesadillas.
Yeah. And as I was saying to you earlier, eat with the eye first. See, it's a little razzle dazzle. You know, a little cheese.
Oh, that's cheese?
Yeah, so you get a little shake.
Yeah, no.
And then you just...
Oh, a little stool. We are style, you know what I'm saying? Red light.
And then just dash little, as my mother call little grass, but it's parsley.
It's parsley.
Take time.
Is there a way to throw it?
Dejan, take time.
Just sprinkle the essence.
Dejan. Don't do that later. Hold it back again.
Yeah.
Hold it back again. Okay, now my belly run today, Dejan.
Yeah.
Come, Dejan, come.
Just do a little something.
Yeah.
For this segment, Dejan invited some of her taller belly friends and waiting. I mean, if the cameraman can pick them up, just waiting, just look.
Is there a special way to do wings though? Because you have wings here.
Yeah.
You have wings.
So normally, I just, it's like I already have the barbecue plated there.
Right.
But just bring the spice a little closer to give it like a dynamic.
Ah, so this is barbecue wings?
Yeah.
This is barbecue wings as well?
Yes.
And this is?
Spicy.
Spicy wings. I like it hot?
Sometimes.
No, food.
That's what I'm talking about. I like spicy food.
You know, I don't like spicy food.
Why?
Because it
goes in hot and it comes out hot.
So you can just put them over there with the, or get added to another plate.
Me do that part. Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. You have to.
Watch it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Careful, you know what I'm saying? Right there, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, but I don't need no razzle dazzle for the wings, or I need some more
to find out. As I said, they really eat with the eye first. They can just garnish that with the parsley.
You keep talking about eating with the eye first. Me no me eat with my
mouth. Yes, you do. It's all right. You eat with your. May I garnish?
I'm going to leave that one right there now.
No, man, shake it, man.
May I shake it to the max, you know, darling?
I sound like you pull the fine side.
Shake it to the max, you know what I'm saying?
Like you pull the fine side.
Oh, the fine side.
Yeah, pull the fine side.
Actually, I don't want too much drop out, you know?
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, you know, see there.
All right,
you ready now? Actually, no, me put some back. See there?
Yeah.
You ready now?
I'm finished now. Me finish with this now. Right, this all.
So for wings, I need sauces and stuff like that, or that's fine as is?
Well, the barbecue already comes with its own signature sauce, so you don't need an extra sauce for that.
Right, and the spice is just...
And the spice is speak for itself.
Yeah.
Spice
And
speaks for
this is
itself.
spicy dry.
Yes, spicy dry. Let's go with
Spicy
that.
dry, I like that.
This right here is loaded fries.
Yes, so that's already pre-plated.
And
Fully
what's
loaded
loaded
with
fry?
bacon, beef, chicken.
Dejan, you're gone a road, one thing make
That's just ready to go.
Dejan, one thing I'm not going to this in the day.
Bacon.
Bacon, but you have that Dejan. This is yours.
Me a Rasta.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is not you either.
I'm a Rasta.
Your taller belly friend is over there waiting there. All right, so we did the quesadillas, the wings. You have the, I just serve the loaded fries.
Yes.
With a spoon or something.
Yeah, but so normally you just will put the fries, then you add the condiments on top. So everything
Right.
like the process. When they're done, full load it up, cheese, mayo, ketchup, anything you want, and you just garnish again.
You have some, I see, of course we have burgers over there.
Yeah, so these are, well, I call them sliders because they're smaller versions of burgers. And then I also have the chicken wrap here.
Chicken.
So what's different about Sherikas Kitchen chicken wrap? You ever eat up and it join up your lettuce? That's not Sherikas Kitchen, moisture right through. So the chicken is mixed in with our signature barbecue sauce. You have plantains in there.
She said plantains.
You said what ago?
Plantains.
Sorry, my accent in a Jamaican.
Excuse me, Sherika.
Oh, okay.
Sherika.
Sherika, like the plantains. Sherika.
Did you, when you went down to coronation, did you get the plantain?
Sherika said after me, plantain. Okay.
Plantain.
Maybe actually not really in that season, kind of expensive.
Yeah.
The prep school
The price for you know is plantains.
Plantain?
Yeah.
Did you get the lettuce?
And the lettuce.
They got the lettuce and the carrots. Got the carrots. All right, so and so you have the wraps. And you just cut them.
Yeah, so after they're wrapped, I just I'm gonna slice them. I just put them like one of this fillet belly.
One of that fillet belly?
One half a wrap of fillet belly.
Half a wrap? That's what I say. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack.
Sherika, where do we find you?
So you can find Sherikas Kitchen in Richmond Park. We do also deliver and we also offer pickup. And we're open every weekend and we're also available for any catering needs.
Social media?
Sherikas_kitchen. And you can find me, the cook, on Leela_.
So you cook everything here?
Yes.
So this is, so how did you get into cooking, right? I mean, what inspired you to?
I don't know. I guess from the size or from the liquor, the kitchen is my favorite place.
Lord.
Yeah. So then whenever it's stressed, people might go out and have a drink. You'll find me in the kitchen making something new. So that's really where it's coming from. And I always try to make things different because everything here is a part of me. It's a part of the show. I reply this.
We'll test it.
Definitely.
Thanks.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Remember plate, man.
That's Khalela Foster, owner of Sherikas Kitchen. More fun and excitement after the break. DJ, I'm going to do some bug or something. Get me a straight pan!
Move to the sideline. And in the air, if you know you a step up, when I eat like mento pepper. Give me it, but I'll give me the temper wine. Well, it's medium temper, you know that it's hot. When you shake and you shake it, I don't wait stop. I bring the steam and every girl bubble up. Turn it back, clap.
But the arching of
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and on the floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.